brings happiness by Lord Baden-Powell. Good morning to all. Today, I stand before you to celebrate a significant occasion that holds a special place in the hearts of countless individuals across our nation. The Bharat Scouts and Guides Flag Day. This day serves as a reminder of the values and principles that the organization embodies, and it provides us with an opportunity to reflect on the remarkable work being done by the Scouts and Guides movement in India.
At this juncture, I would like to bring your attention about Scouting over the world. As you know, the founder of this great organization is Lord Baden-Powell. Full name is Sir Robert Stephenson Smith Baden-Powell. He the followers lovingly called as G. He was a man of vision. He invited this great organization of youth movement in the year 1907. He wrote a book, Scouting for All, which is known to be the Bible of Scouting. This epic is even having relevance in this modern era for the development of child mentally as well as physically. The word Scout organization has now been spread over 262 countries over the world associations. In our country, both comes under the same umbrella with unique emblem and flag depicting Ashoka Chakra.
The Bharat Scouts and Guides is a renowned organization that has been instrumental in shaping the character and values of countless young men and women in our country. It has been a source of inspiration for generations, instilling in its members unity and preparedness. The movement has not only contributed to the personal growth of its members, but has also played a vital role in building a responsible and compassionate citizenry.
Flag Day, observed on 7 November every year, is a day when we come together to honor the significant role played by the Bharat Scouts and Guides in our society. The flag, with its distinct design, represents the unity and diversity of our nation. Flag with dimension 180 by 120 cm.
As we commemorate this day, it is essential to acknowledge the remarkable work undertaken by the Scouts and Guides throughout the year. They engage in a variety of activities including community service, environmental conservation, disaster preparedness and skill development. Their commitment to these activities not only benefits their local communities but also contributes to the larger good of our nation.
Flag Day also presents us with an opportunity to support this noble cause by contributing to the organization. The funds raised on this day are used for the scouting and guiding movement, providing necessary resources for training, camps and other essential activities.
Now, I take this opportunity to thank all of you for lending your ears and happy Flag Day for all of you. Thank you.